movement, which means I'm doing, it should look the same as what you are going to do, but I am actually executing the move in clockwise, even though you see counterclockwise. Now, if we were to put it together, you would be spinning both of your poi in anti-clockwise split time. Your left poi would be at the top. Your right poi would be at the bottom. So you don't really want to be like this. You want to be like this, really stacked at 12 and 6. And this move is in split time. And what you'll do is the big swing, so they'll switch positions. You do the in spin and switch positions. Right, so both hands spin. They swing, out, and switch. Swing, out, switch. Swing, out, switch. The swing is the in spin. Swing, out, switch. Swing, out, switch. Swing, out, switch. This is the movement when it's put together. So if you start here with your left on top and your right on bottom in split time, they both swing so that they switch positions. The one on top goes to the bottom, the one on bottom goes to the top. And you're here. Start from here now with your left on bottom. Now both of them come out to the side. And keep it in split time. Split time, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then go back to where you started with the left on top and the right on bottom. But get them on your front plane, get them on your front plane, get them flat, and then swing so that they switch positions. Now go to the sides, hold it here, hold it here, hold it here, hold it here. Split time, split time, split time. Straighten it out, straighten it out. Split time, straighten it out, split time, straighten it out, split time. Get it flatter, get it flatter. More wrist, more wrist. And then go back to where you started. Your left's on top, right's on bottom. Your left hand is here at the top position. What I'm noticing is when you're doing it and holding it there, it has a little bit of an angle forward like this rather than this. What can help is if you pump the arm up and down using the elbow and use more rotation in the wrist. That'll help you keep it up. And then with your right hand down here, I think even just doing this is it's a thing, right? Just being able to stack these two circles in split time is its own thing. Right now, yours look more like this than this. Do you see the difference between this and this? It's really easier once you have the momentum. I think this is actually easier than this because you have momentum on your side when you're in the motion. Let's try this from the opposite starting point. Let's take your left hand and put it on bottom, and then your right hand and put it on top. And then go out, switch, and come around. Out, switch, and swing. They both go out, then they switch position, then they swing. Okay, so they're both going to go out, switch position, and then swing back to where they started. The anti-spin first, and then the in-spin. The anti-spin first, and then the in-spin. The anti-spin, and then the in-spin. The anti-spin, and then the in-spin. The anti-spin, and then the in-spin, and rest. And the anti-spin, and the in-spin, and rest. And the anti-spin, and the in-spin, and rest. Not that it's really resting. I mean, the hand up here is not really a rest.